Hey guys, everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make aloo momo. It's potato dumpling. So I'm going to show you how to make at home. It's very simple and easy to prepare. So let's get started. So before start the video, please don't forget to click the red button. It's written subscribe. Also hit the bell. So if you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. Now add the potato how much you're going to make, and I'm gonna wash in running water. Here I have some big potato also. Now this also I'm gonna cut into small pieces. So all sizes same, so evenly cooked. Small will cook very easily. Now once you done the all potato, now it's time to cook. By the way, here I'm going to use rice cooker. You can boil or you can steam, whatever you like. Just we need to boil potato. So here I add potato and I'm gonna add 1.5 cup water. Now I'm gonna cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the momo dough. It's very simple. We need water and flour. The momo dough should be, we need to make little bit hard because when we make the chapati, that time we don't need to apply too much flour. Sorry. The continuously knead the dough until not dough become smooth. Once the dough becomes smooth, now I'm gonna wrap and just leave it for 10 minutes. Here I already peeled my potato skin. Now next we gonna mash the potato. For this here I use glass, which is the bottom is flat. So the reason I apply the oil, it will not stick the potato in glass, so you can easily mash the potato. Now potato is done. Now set aside the potato, and meanwhile we gonna prepare other ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil and half teaspoon sesame oil. The sesame oil I add because it will keep nice taste. So here I use the very simple ingredient: spring onion and ginger and garlic. Now once I heat the oil, now I'm gonna add onion. By the way, here I used the small medium 2 onion. If you want more vegetable, you can definitely add. Next, I'm gonna add garlic and ginger. Once I add the ginger and garlic, one more time mix. And make sure your flame will keep in low flame. We don't need to burn the onion. Next, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of salt. The salt is according to taste, you can add. Now finally I'm gonna add spring onion. Now once the spring onion add, now it's time to mix very nicely. By the way, we don't need to cook properly and we don't need to burn the onion, everything. Just keep in low flame and we have to mix it. Now it's ready to go in stuff on the mashed potato. By the way, here I fried the onions. You can directly add if you don't want to fry. If you fry the onion, so it will give little more flavorful. So that's why I fried. For the seasoning here I use very simple. Half teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon salt. The salt is according to taste you can add. And half teaspoon black pepper. That's it. It's very simple. And now I'm gonna mix by hand. So if you use by hand, so it will be nicely mixed. Now it's time to make dumpling skin. The size is totally depend on you. How much you're going to make, small or big, is all about your hand. Now about the momo skin, make thinly much as you can. It will be more delicious if you make the very thin chapati. And follow the video how I did. Now take a chapati and now we're gonna fill up the filling. And just follow the video, it's difficult to explain. In steam pot, I already applied the oil. So if you not apply the oil, so it will stick each other. Now it's ready for steam. So here is start to boil the water. Now I'm gonna place it the momo and just steam for 15 minutes. So potato momo is very easily cooked and already cooked and inside the filling. So usually momo it will take 25 minutes. Now it's ready for enjoy. Now you can go with your favorite sauce wherever you like. So guys, this is my final result and hopefully this video will helpful to you. And about the more recipe guys, please subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye. And don't forget to leave comment below how it is.